A few months ago, I uploaded a video about how to fix external hard drives not showing up on your computer. Most people said it worked for them, but some viewers commented that they were stuck because they could not change the drive letter at all. The option was completely grayed out, or the drive was not even showing in disk management. If that sounds like your situation, this video will help you fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4DDIG. Your external drive is connected, but it either does not show up properly or when you try to change the drive letter, the option is grayed out and you cannot click it. This often makes users think the drive is broken or the data is gone, but in most cases it is a Windows disk management issue. Common causes include the disk being offline or not properly initialized, partition corruption or raw format, drive letter conflicts, or leftover registry entries from an old drive. If handled incorrectly, this can also put your data at risk. Let's start with the simplest fix. Method 1. Bring the disk online. Right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. Find your disk in the lower section. If you see it labeled as offline, right-click on the disk itself, not the partition, and select Online. Once it is online, check if the drive letter option becomes available again. Method 2. Use DiskPart to force assign a drive letter. If disk management does not work, move to Command Prompt. Search for CMD in the search bar and select Run as Administrator. Then type DiskPart. List volume. Find your drive number, then type. Select volume 2. Replace 2 with your actual volume number. Then type. Assign letter equals H. Choose any available letter. This method often works even when the graphical interface is blocked. Method 3. Fix raw or corrupted partition. If your drive still does not respond or shows as raw, then the issue is likely file system corruption. At this point, Windows may prompt you to format the drive, but you should not do that immediately. The safest approach is to first recover your files. You can use Tenorshare 4DDIG to scan the drive, detect lost or inaccessible partitions, and recover your data even when Windows cannot read the file system. Just open 4DDIG, select your hard drive, choose the file types you want to recover, and click Scan. After the scan, preview the files and select the files you need. Click Recover and save them to a different location, not back to the same drive. Once your important files are safely recovered, you can then go back to disk management and initialize or format the drive to make it usable again. Method 4. Remove registry conflicts. If you have tried everything above and still cannot assign a drive letter, there may be leftover entries in the registry that block new assignments. Press Windows +R and type regedit, then press Enter. Navigate to this path. On the right panel, you will see entries like DOS devices C, DOS devices E. These represent old drive letter mappings. If you find a letter that is no longer used or related to a removed drive, you can right-click and delete it. Then restart your computer so Windows can rebuild the mapping system. You can try assigning the drive letter again. If you are not confident, it is better to skip it, because deleting the wrong entry can affect other drives. So those are the most effective ways to fix the drive letter grayed out issue and external drives not showing in Windows. And if you want a faster recovery option, try 4DDIG first, and we offer a free 3-day trial, which is linked in the description. If this video helped you, let us know in the comments what error you were seeing. See you in the next one.